So this is my OnePlus 7 Pro. I actually went and got a Dbrand skin on it with a matte white finish and a red logo just because it's OnePlus. And I believe this is the all-around best smartphone you can get in 2019. It's the best package. You're getting pretty decent cameras. They're not going to be like the Pixel 4 or like the iPhone 11 Pro, but you can always sideload a G-Cam, the Pixel 4 Google Camera APK, on your OnePlus 7 Pro, and I made a video on that, so be sure to check that out. But you'll be all set once you download that. You're getting awesome speakers, awesome display at 90 Hertz. It's not like the Pixel 4 where it drops to 60 Hertz after you drop the brightness down to 75%. You are going to be pleased. You're getting amazing battery life. Again, comparing it with the Pixel 4, it's going to get you throughout the whole entire day. I usually get at least 6 hours of screen on time. Now, if you want to get even more and it's got a 4,000 mAh battery, you just drop the refresh rate down to 60 Hertz and the resolution down to full HD. But still, I keep mine at full HD with 90 Hertz because I mean that's like the best feature of the phone, so why not? And another great thing about this phone is that it's running Android 10. And OnePlus is committed to bringing out the latest software to their phones very quickly. They're not going to be Google where you get them first day, but I got mine literally 3 weeks after release, which was awesome. And I also did make a video of the full review and how to get Android 10 on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So if you haven't checked that out, be sure to. You'll just be pleased with this. It's Oxygen OS. You're getting more features. You can customize even more. I don't know about that pop-up camera and how long it's going to last. I mean, lately I've been using it a bit more, so I don't really trust it that much. I mean, you don't really see it on any other phones. You don't see it like on the iPhone or the Samsung Galaxy Note or the S series or even the Pixel 4. But so far, so good. It's been sturdy. I just love this phone, and you guys should definitely check it out before making another purchase. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and actually let me know the quality of this sound, because I actually got a mic and I'm going to be making a separate video on that. So I just want to know the sound quality. I'm not going to know until I go into Final Cut Pro and start editing this video. But let me know how the sound quality is. I really am happy that I finally got a standalone mic so I can do voiceovers as well. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Till next time, everybody, this is MTG.